Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christy with Van On Company. It's Thursday, March 3rd. I'm just going to go over the markets with you for the day. You actually saw some strength come through these grains markets. Is very little as far as the corn and beans go. Wheat had a big day, up 8 to 10 cents there. Bean market was up 2 to 3. Corn market was steady to maybe up a half a cent into the close, but nonetheless, you saw some positive trade. We've said this before. It looks like you should be able to bounce off support at these levels. There are no bullish stories really out there. Still a lot of bear stories out there, but you've been able to see these markets bounce off this level. You are at key support levels, so you should have a little bit of buying come into these markets and be supported for a while. A lot of it, I think, had to do with the dollar being down 65 cents on the day, so that's why you saw the wheat market lead the highest, just because wheat is driven by that US dollar so much, because wheat is grown so many different places in the world. And so really what you have is a very global driven market when it comes to the wheat market. And so when that dollar is higher, our wheat is just not, it's too expensive for foreign nations. And so with that dollar being down quite a bit today, I think that's what really drove the support. Then the meat market's really struggling to find a direction to take, a little bit weaker on the day, trying to find some support. It looks like you haven't seen any cash trade, but it's really hinting at coming in steady on the week, maybe down $1. Cutouts value is really saying the same thing there. You are in the seasonal time frame that is supportive towards feeder cattle, so I think that's where your market's really struggling, is that there's not a whole lot of news out there either, and you've gotten a substantial rally off those lows. And so you're trying to see if you can get a little bit more information to extend that and partake in this seasonal rally. And I think a stronger cash trade is what would do it. We just haven't been able to see it. Other outside markets, crude traded both sides of the thing, but slightly higher, and the Dow was about the same way. So that big influencer was the weaker dollar. I do have to close with the disclaimer: trading in futures and options involves risk of loss and may not be suitable for all producers. Have a great day.